You zoomed in real close. Okay, give him that for you. I don't know if you know what to do, but he's going to dig right down there. He's got to bring that dirt back up. That's a lot of dirt. That's a lot of dirt that they're digging up. They're going pretty deep. I think they're getting ready to hibernate. They're making their holes to hibernate in.
Of course, when I bring my thing out here, they're not coming back out.
Well, give him, like I said, he's got to go deeper. Oh, here he comes, here he comes.
Can you see it good?
Now he's going to go back in. He's got to go back in. He's got to make a big amount. He's got to get way, way deep in the ground because he's getting ready to hibernate for the winter.
Yeah, the mound will be as big as all those.
Yes,
probably.
yes, and that's going to take him a long, long time to do that.
Yeah, I know.
That's a lot of fucking work. Hey, dude, you want a shovel?
Grass tickled mine. No, grass is tickled me.
I know, but they don't sting. The guy told me that the female stings, but not the male. And the males do this.
Tap the ground. See if it comes out.
No, I was just trying to make it a little bit easier for you to come out. I've just never had this before in my life. Never ever.
What's up?